Right, Finn Aldua here, and now we're here at SM Araneta City, Cubao, and this is the SM store passenger elevators. These are Hyundai. This one is going up, and this one is going down. Okay, let's go there. At the right side, both elevators are operational. All that items came from SM Appliance Center. They are purchased from SM Appliance Center. So lower ground is Cyberzone Supermarket. Ace Hardware in the home world area is third floor. Let's go. Lower ground. Ground floor po. Here we go. Lower ground. We're at lower ground. That one there is accessing basement. We'll go to the Ace Hardware and the Homeworld section first before SM Appliance Center and Supermarket. Here's the SM store, your everyday store wrap here. Third floor. Yeah, third floor.
Wait lang po.
Alright.
Up.
There's the lights on the door.
Third floor po.
Now let's watch the doors closed. And there's the SM store logo wrap.